Welcome to Banisilan, North Cotabato, my beloved hometown. Today, I take you on a quick tour to show some of the important place, landmark, and treasure of our community. Let's begin.
West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home to the country road. Almost heaven from West Virginia. Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is all there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, hey, moving like a breeze. Country road, please take me home to the place I belong. From West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home the country road. All my memories we gather around her. Miners lately, stranger to the water. When the dark dusty painted on the skies, misty days the moonshine, teardrop in my eye. Country road, please take me home to the place where I belong. West Virginia, West Mountain Mama, Mountain, take me home. Country road. I hear the voices in the morning. Now she calls me. Radio reminds me of my home far, far away. Driving in the road, I got the feeling, but I should have been home yesterday. Yesterday, oh, country road, please take me home to the place where I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama.
Banisilan, Bayang Sinta.
Lakbayin ko man ang buong mundo, abutin ang mga pangarap ko. Sundin ko man ang agos ng buhay, alaala mo'y walang kapantay. Banisilan aming minumutya, lupain na masagana, likas na yaman ang makukuha, pinagpala ka ng tagalikha. Mga Muslim, lumad at Krisyano, kami ay nagkakaisa upang mapaunlad at mapangalagaan kabayang sinta. Banisilan, Bayang Sinta, pugad ng aming pangarap, nagbigay kulay sa aming buhay. Tagumpay, tagumpay namin sa'yo iaalan. Banisilan, bayan kong sinilangan, may pinunong mga maaasahan. Sa dangal mo sila'y nagbabantay, sama-sama, sama-sama ika'y paglaban. Banisilan, Bayang Sinta, pugad ng aming pangarap, nagbigay kulay sa aming buhay. Tagumpay, tagumpay namin sa'yo iaalan. Banisilan, Bayang Sinta, Banisilan, Bayang Sinta, ipagmamalaki ka pangarap ko. Sundin ko man ang agos ng buhay, alaala mo'y walang kapantay. Panisilan aming minumutya, lupain na masagana, likas na yaman ang makukuha, pinagpala ka ng tagalikha. Mga Muslim, lumad at Krisyano, kami ay nagkakaisa upang mapaunlad at mapangalagaan kabayang sinta. Manisilan bayang sinta, pugad ng aming pangarap, nagbigay kulay sa aming buhay. Tagumpay, tagumpay namin sa'yo iaalan. Manisilan bayan kung sinilangan, may pinunong mga maaasahan. Sa dangal mo sila'y nagbabantay, sama-sama, sama-sama ika'y paglaban. Manisilan bayang sinta.
Hello everyone, this is our barangay hall at Banisilan, Poblacion 1, Banisilan, North Cotabato. This is the center of our local government. This where community leads meet, program, and plan. And hello everyone, I will present to you the Banisilan Municipal Hall here. So, the heart of our town governance, our leader work here to create projects and decisions that help improve the lives of our residents. For example, here is our Catholic Church at Banisilan, North Cotabato, a place of prayer, peace, and faith. Peoples gather here, worship, celebrations, and to strengthen their spiritual lives. So, here at Catholic Church at Banisilan, North Cotabato, will celebrate the Hello everyone, this is the Banisilan Public Market, always lively and colorful. Here you can find fresh vegetables, fruits, fish, and other products by made of local farmers. So, diri guys, kay bag-o ang opening ang amuang public market diri sa Banisilan. So, see, nag-design sila guys, so super busy sila kagahapon. Look guys. Hello everyone, this is the Algia de Amor Resorts, a favorite spot for families and friends. This place to relax, swim, and enjoy the beautiful surroundings. So, diri guys, gahap atong ligad adlaw kay si Kagawad Alan Falle is naglibre sa iya nga sarili nga swimming pool diri sa Banisilan. So, look guys, marami ang tao dito pumupunta dahil libre ang Algia de Amor Farm Resort ni Kagawad Falle sang Banisilan. Hello everyone, this is the Malitubog River, one of the Banisilan natural treasure. It cleans water and faithful sensory, make it a perfect place for picnics and fishing. So diri sa Maritubog guys, kay damo galigo, labi na gid dira sa last guys o last part. Kay kuan guys na ana dry mga hampangan sa mga bata guys no nga ambak-ambak. So malipay gid sila guys diri sa Malitubog magligo kay basta tag-init gid guys, grabe. Hello everyone, I will show you the product of Banisilan. Banisilan is known for its rich agricultural products like corn, rice, banana, and fresh vegetables. This good not only feed our community but also support our local economy. So Banisilan guys is one of the producer for rubber because of malawak ang ilang kuandre guys, mga taniman guys. Then maraming mga produkto ang Banisilan guys. Mayroong mais, humay, saging, tubo, and etc.
Mindanao, 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 Pusong Sahara, Mindanao. Mindanao,
That's the end of our short tour of Banisilan, our community. Maybe simple but it's rich in culture, nature, and unity. I am proud to call this place my home. Thank you for joining me. See you next time. Thank you.